Okay, and what do you want me to do about that?
I'll live for Pakistan, I'll die for Pakistan, and I'll sacrifice my whole life for Pakistan. Pakistan, Zindabad.
Great! Pakistan, Zindabad!
What the fuck that got to do with me?
Surprise, bitch. I bet you thought you'd seen the last of me. Slay! Slay!
Damn, what is that, bro?
I'm having a fucking panic attack right now. I need to calm the fuck down because I'm having a panic attack.
Yo, I got hecka bands. That's the last thing.
Yeah, you heard you was gonna diss me. What hat?
You're so fake, you made of plastic.
Oh.
Wow, that looks like a fruit roll-up. Oh, it's... Wait, how the fuck did you do that, you fucking wizard, bitch?
Can I get a cheeseburger, a 4-piece, and...
Okay, pull up, huh?
I didn't get to finish.
Wow! This is a strong message! No one will have courage to undermine the sovereignty of our country!
You cheated! I did not! You looked at the card! I did not! I don't want to play with you anymore! I don't want to play with you anymore!
You slept with a man? For free? In this hard time?
I think you're fat.
Yeah,
it's just my opinion. I'm not bullying you. I'm just giving you an opinion. I think you're ugly. I think you're fat. I think you're stupid.
You got a dog. I needed you, and you got a dog.
Mr. 305, Mr. Worldwide, back at it again to let you know. I just came to remind y'all que ese culo bota caca.